Announcing great news for Public Works contractors. Hi, I'm Tamara, spokesperson for Public Works Compliance Advisors, or PWCA for short. PWCA is proud to announce the first ever Advanced Certified Payroll and Contract Law Symposium. This symposium is far more comprehensive and hands-on than any other prevailing wage workshop offered anywhere. In this class, you will be given a real compliance-heavy public works contract from which we will crush all things compliance. Together, we will dissect contract law, compliance law, and prevailing wage law. From the contract, we will identify critical clauses in the contract that determine compliance fines, penalties, and even liquidated damages. We will also identify those risky contract clauses that allow general contractors to withhold your payments for up to 18 months. Following the contract review, you will complete a full DIR wage determination cycle, followed by a step-by-step certified payroll exercise for the project's journeymen and apprentices. This Advanced Certified Payroll Symposium is recommended for those with 3 or more years of certified payroll experience, or for those who have previously taken PWCA's Crush at Prevailing Wage workshops. These advanced classes are rare, and seating is extremely limited, so I urge you to reserve your seat today. If you'd like to speak with the instructor, no problem. Just call the telephone number below, or send your questions to the instructor at the email address below. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.